In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn any non-smart TV into a smart TV using a simple and affordable method. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, instead of buying a brand new smart TV, all you really need to do is get yourself an Amazon Fire TV stick. Inside the box, you're going to get the Fire TV stick, an HDMI extender cable, a power cable and power adapter, as well as a remote with batteries. This is way cheaper than replacing your whole TV, with it being about 24 USD. Essentially, go ahead and take that Fire TV stick, plug it into the HDMI port on your TV, and then connect the power cable to the stick and plug it into the wall using the power adapter. As soon as you do that, you just got to use your TV remote to switch to the HDMI input that you plugged it into. As soon as you switch those inputs, you'll see the Fire TV setup screen. And after the setup, your TV basically becomes a smart TV. You can download apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, whatever it might be. You can browse the App Store by going all the way over to the left. Just search or go specifically to the App Store right here, and you're going to see everything that you can go ahead and download. And there is a lot on here. Now, if your TV is older and it still works fine, this is way cheaper than buying a brand new smart TV. You're just basically adding a full smart interface by plugging in one small little device. And they also go on sale during major events like holiday deals, so it's worth keeping an eye out for discounts, but they're already super cheap. But that is, you can turn any non-smart TV into a smart TV in just a few minutes. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.